Hi friends, today we are making a quick and super tasty Paneer Ghotala, cheesy and just loaded with flavor. Start with some oil and butter in a pan. Once it's hot, toss in some cumin seeds, onion and green chilies and saute till they are golden brown, and then add ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. Now add your spices like turmeric powder, red chili powder and some salt. Mix it all together. Now add in some chopped tomatoes and cook till soft and saucy. Now we are going to add some pav bhaji masala, mix it all up and it smells already amazing. If it gets thick, add half cup of water and let it cook. Now we are going to add grated paneer and mix it all together. And now the magic, which is grated cheese. Let it melt into the mix. Finish it with chopped coriander and that's it. Your cheesy buttery Paneer Ghotala is all ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.